There's a lot of family history, but she wants to know more about it. I got to get into it to learn. You know, my mom is an organ expert, and she gave me a lot of hints on what to look for. She says if I take the back off of it, the stickers should be there and some of the marks from the manufacturer. But it's pretty cool.
This wasn't your ordinary research mission. We had to take this thing apart.
So we're gonna take this off right away.
Okay.
So this is the code. I was hoping I'd be able to see that, 15584. She really needs to know more about it because she doesn't know if she's gonna take it with her, she's gonna give it to her kids, so I gotta find something cool about it.
The garage is really where people put all their afterthoughts when they're moving. Even when they're not moving, people just say, oh, put it in the garage, we'll get to it later, and then it comes time to move, and you're stuck with boxes full of things like this.